In this video, we'll be showcasing 3 vintage muscle cars that are worth every penny. Buckle up and let's get started. Our first contender is the epitome of American muscle, the legendary 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SSS. With its aggressive stance, muscular curves, and a roar that can send shivers down your spine, this beauty demands attention wherever it goes. Underneath that sleek hood lies a beastly V8 engine, ready to unleash an exhilarating 375 horsepower. From the racetrack to the streets, the Camaro SS embodies the spirit of American muscle like no other. Next up, we have a true icon from across the pond, the 1971 Ford Mustang Mach-1. This pony car was built to dominate the roads with its unmistakable design and thrilling performance. Equipped with a powerful 429 Super Cobra jet engine, this beast can produce a jaw-dropping 370 horsepower. The Mustang Mach-1 is a symbol of automotive excellence that continues to captivate enthusiasts worldwide. Owning one is like owning a piece of automotive history. Last but certainly not least, we present the 1970 Dodge Challenger R/T. This automotive masterpiece is a testament to the golden age of muscle cars. With its aggressive grille, iconic dual scoops, and a rumbling V8 engine, the Challenger R/T is the embodiment of pure power. Strap yourself in as it unleashes an astonishing 425 horsepower. The Challenger R/T not only turns heads, but also defines what it means to be a classic muscle car. Now, you might be wondering, are these classic muscle cars worth the investment? Absolutely. While the initial cost may seem steep, the value of these timeless beauties continues to rise. With their limited production numbers and growing demand from collectors, these muscle cars are truly an investment that appreciates over time. So, if you're passionate about cars and looking for a vehicle that combines raw power, iconic design, and a touch of nostalgia, these classic muscle cars are worth every penny. And there you have it, folks! The 1969 Chevrolet Camaro SS, the 1971 Ford Mustang Mach-1, and the 1970 Dodge Challenger R/T. These 3 classic muscle cars are more than just metal and rubber. They're a symbol of an era when horsepower ruled the streets. So, whether you're a collector, a car enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates timeless beauty, these legendary machines are waiting to take you on an unforgettable ride. Thanks for joining us today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. Until next time, keep cruising and stay passionate